Ever pondered what the most common hazards in a construction site are? Today we'll delve into this topic, highlighting the dangers lurking in the dynamic environment of a construction site and the steps to mitigate them. First on our list is falls from heights. This is a leading cause of serious work-related injuries and deaths in construction. It calls for the use of fall protection equipment like harnesses and guardrails, not forgetting safe practices when using ladders and scaffolds. Next, we have slips, trips, and falls. These can be caused by uneven surfaces, wet floors, and cluttered work areas. The remedy: keep work areas clean, use signage for wet floors, and ensure proper lighting. We also have electrical hazards. Exposed wiring, wet conditions, and power tools are the culprits here. The solution is to use ground fault circuit interrupters, GFCIs, wear appropriate personal protective equipment, and ensure proper electrical safety training. Then there's the risk of being struck by objects. Falling, flying, swinging, or rolling objects pose a threat. To counter this, it's advisable to wear hard hats, secure tools and materials, and use toe boards on scaffolds. Caught in between incidents are another hazard. Workers can get caught in or compressed by equipment and objects, or struck, caught, or crushed in collapsing structures. Ensuring machinery is properly guarded and that trenches are shored or sloped properly is vital here. Noise is another concern. Chronic exposure to loud noise can lead to long-term hearing impairment. Earplugs, earmuffs, and quiet zones are great ways to combat this issue. Hand-arm vibration syndrome, or HAVS, can occur due to prolonged use of vibrating hand tools. To reduce the risk, it's recommended to limit exposure time and use anti-vibration gloves. Material handling is another area of concern, as lifting, carrying, and maneuvering materials can lead to musculoskeletal injuries. Proper lifting techniques should be taught, and equipment like forklifts and hoists should be used. Chemical and dust exposure is a hazard that can cause health issues through inhalation or contact. Using appropriate respiratory protection, ensuring proper ventilation, and following material safety data sheets for chemicals are essential steps in prevention. Finally, working in high temperatures can lead to heat stress and dehydration. To prevent this, it's important to provide access to water, rest breaks, and shade. Remember, safety is a shared responsibility. With the right precautions, we can make construction sites safer for everyone.